Hello friends, we are going to write an algorithm to calculate total surface area of a cone. So this is radius and height of the cone. This is the slant height of the cone. R is the radius, H is the height, S is the slant height of the cone. The formula for total surface area TSA equal to pi into radius plus slant height. For this, we are going to write an algorithm. Step 1 is the logical start of the algorithm. Step 2, input radius and slant height. Radius and slant height are the input. Step 3, total surface area equal to the value of pi equal to 3.14 into radius plus slant height. Next, I am printing the total surface area. Next is the stop. This is the logical end of this algorithm. So stop, I am obtaining radius and slant height as an input. Total surface area equal to 3.14, value of pi into radius plus slant height. Step 4, print TSA, total surface area. Step 5, stop. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.